How to post Instagram story more than 15 seconds. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can post Instagram stories that are longer than 15 seconds. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. So first option, if you have a video that is up to 60 seconds, Instagram now lets you upload up to 60-second videos to your story where you do not need any cuts. So for that, once you're on your Instagram, tap on add to story at the top left corner. Now you have to select the video that is up to 60 seconds. Once you select the video, Instagram will automatically split it into 4 15-second parts, and once it is splits up the video into 4 segments, all you have to do is tap on next and share it on your Instagram story. But in case if your videos is more than 60 seconds, then you have to use another application such as InShot, CapCut or Story Cutter to split up your video into 15-second chunks. So for that, once you open up the application, you could open up CapCut or InShot and upload the video. After that, using the application, split the video into the 15-second chunks. And once you have the video chunks, then again you could open up Instagram, then tap on the story icon at the top left. Then you could upload all of the clips that you have edited from all the application, that may be InShot or CapCut. Then you have to upload all of those clips in order. Then tap on post. Now your followers can watch your full video smoothly, segment by segment. So that was the second option. So that's how you can post your longer videos on your Instagram story. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.